Hi, welcome back to second video of chapter 5. Hope all of you are in a good health. Today I'm going to discuss about components of Excel. Previous class I explained about the features of MS Excel. Now let us discuss one by one rows and columns. When you open your first page, Excel, and you can see here the first page of the workbook. This is the first page, and name of this book is here default name book 1. And book is a unique work file created in Excel, and inside a workbook you can find out the default sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. You can add multiple sheets inside a workbook. So for example, the workbook is like a notebook, and sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4 are pages inside a notebook. Right. Another one is the rows and column. So worksheet consists of cell organized into a vertical column and horizontal rows. So this here you can see the number 1, 2, 3. This is the row 1, row 2, row 3, and column. This is the column. Vertical A, B, C, D. Vertical is a column. So organized to vertical columns and horizontal rows. Cell. Cell is the intersection of rows and columns. It can be denoted as, if I just going to write this one, say this is the E1. Name of the cell, that is the E1. When you press, you can see the F1, the name box here, you can find out. So this is a cell, and it can be denoted as H1, I1. This active cell. A cell with a highlighted boundary used to enter data in a worksheet is called an active cell. Here you can see the active cell with this highlighted boundary. And once I'm just going to see, click if anywhere, you can see this is the highlighted boundary. So this one is the active cell. And you can find out the address of the active cell in that name box. This is the active cell, right? Boundary side, this is the N1, is the highlighted cell. Range. A range is a group of cells which form the shape of a square or a rectangle. Just going to show you the, just going to select the range. This here you can find. This is the range of. You can see it is a this and range of cells. So it can be denoted at when I'm just going to find out the sum of the range of the. So it can be written F4. What is the first column? F4 colon and K4. The range of cells. And next one is the name box. So this box is located just above the column heading on the left side of the window. Just above the column heading. See here, simple left column heading, just above the column heading, you can find out the right. And here you once you click on any cell, now you can see the position it displays where you can find out the cell position in the name box. So here you can see that this is the name box. S3 is in, I'm just going to click B3 and you can see the name box here. address of the particular cell you can find out in the name box. Right. Another one is the name box. Seed tabs. The seed tabs appears above the status bar. They are numbered as seed 1, seed 2, and 3. Seed 3. Default can get the 3 seeds. As you see here, above the status bar, you can find out the seed 1, seed 2, seed 3. If you just want to add, just click on this icon and you can add more seed. Right? Seed 4, seed 5. This way you can add more seeds. This is if you just want to. Also, you can change the name of the seed 1, seed 2, seed 3. Can be easily, you can change your name. So this is the pages of your notebook, right? Similar to that. Another one, the important is the formula bar. What is the formula bar? Here you can see the formula bar. The formula bar displays the information entered or being entered as it is typed in the current or active cell. Information entered being the, so when you are just going to change, you're going to write down the formula, and it always start with the equal sign, and you write down the sum. You can write down this way sum, and cell I, for example, the cell address is I2, right, plus I2 plus J, and if you just very, you can simply write down this one and it appears in the formula, right? So there is no H. If you enter the value, once you enter the formula here, 2 plus 3, right, K2 L2, and if you write down the formula here, and you can enter the formula simply is equal to equal sign sum, and write down K2 again plus L, K2 plus L2, and you can get the value this way. So formula bar, you can also, when I click over there, you can see the formula, it appears the formula here. And another one is the navigation button. It's help you to easily navigation button to move to the first, previous, next, and the last worksheet in the worksheet. Here you can see the bottom left corner, see the navigation. So using this, you can just move from previous, next, last worksheet in a box. You already understood the name box, formula, status bar, and status bar. It is located at the bottom of the Excel windows. Here you can find out the, yes, this is the status bar, and above the status bar you can see the seat name, and left of the seat name you can find out the navigation button. This button, you can move first, last, previous, next, and this is help you to easily navigate from one page to another page. I hope the point which I explained, you understood the point. Thanks for watching the video.